What's up, everyone? It's Saturday. It's time for another hobby box. Looking to rebound from last week, we got another box, Road to WrestleMania 2018. 2 weeks ago, we had that absolutely just ridiculously great box. Last week, not so much. So let's hope we can do better this week. But I can't complain. More often than not, this in 2017 have been really good. Can't win them all. I'm going to go through these pretty quickly. Well, that was quick. We got a gold, I believe. Let's Ruby Riot. I don't know, is this unnumbered? But anyway, we got a Ruby Riot on-card auto. I guess this is just base. But, decent auto, so I'm not going to complain about that. So we're still looking for a numbered card and a hit. But I already have to say that's a slight rebound from last week. Looking forward to, it's actually started now, big sale on Facebook today on the Marty Party page. Actually having 3 guests, Lanny Poffo in the morning, Terry Runnels in the afternoon, and the Berserker in the evening. I'm looking forward to the Terry Runnels one, hoping to get some ring-worn items. Actually, 1, probably can't afford 2. And of course, there will be a video on that if I do get that. Also have my eye on something on eBay. So it's pretty much a lock. I'm going to get something this weekend. I just don't know what yet. Actually been watching a lot of old ECW lately, but not on WWE, on High Spots Wrestling Network. If you don't have that, I recommend you get it. And the great thing with those shows is they have a lot of the fan cams, and you get the raw energy of the crowd. Most importantly, you get the original music. So those are a lot of fun to watch, especially since I went to quite a few of those shows back in the day. It's where I actually got comfortable with driving long distances and going to places that were unfamiliar. Oh, there's our numbered card. Roman Reigns faces The Undertaker, and that is 225. Oh, starting to see some box here. So we are getting to the end and waiting for our other hit. Got one left. Looks like we are on our final 4 packs. Oh, looks like we got a hit there. And from the peek I got, it looks like it's a big rebound from last week. Oh yeah, another Alexa Bliss Kiss card to 99. So big rebound from last week. So overall, these boxes continue to impress. That's all for now. As always, thanks for watching. Keep checking back. Take care.